Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're just going to be doing things a little bit more casually, and when I say casually, still with a serious undertone, because I've decided to look at body cam footage of those that have been suspected of a crime, sometimes get into the middle of a crime whilst they are being detained, etc. And the reason I'm doing this is because, well, we all go through some tough times, right? It's going to happen to you at some point. But I want to look at a couple of principles that, even in your deepest, darkest moments, if it's captured on body cam, then if that happens to you, it could happen to me, it could happen to any of us in the UK/US, a few principles could help you. And I will divulge those as to my thoughts on this, which I'm watching fresh to the end. So without further ado, let's get it in sync. 3, 2, 1.
On July 7th, 2022, officers detained a woman suspected of shoplifting at Five Below.
No, this from Ross.
No, I watched the surveillance footage.
Okay.
And they're being nice, they're not pressing charges, they want you trespass, so.
Apparently,
Alright.
officer's seen the footage, implying she's stolen, but they're just doing trespass. She said thank you. It's a good start.
Since the woman didn't have any identification on her, the officer was just trying to use a fingerprint scanner to verify who she was.
Don't push down so hard. I'll control the pressure, okay? And then can I see your left index finger? Don't push down so hard. Let me control the pressure. Stop pushing down so hard.
Do anything.
She's trying to verify because she has no ID. She don't want to show her ID.
Let me see your finger. It didn't scan.
Do
Doesn't want to be
anything.
ID'd, it seems.
What did I do wrong?
You stole items from the store.
This is the only thing. This is from
And the
Ross.
basketball and the pillow.
Okay, this was from Ross.
Destiny,
Ma'am,
let
this
me
is from
see
Ross.
your finger
Here,
so we can verify your identity.
this is from Ross.
What you
Did this
trying to
bar
explain
come
to
back
I'm
from-
trying to explain to you very calmly, so I don't know why you're getting.
Because they didn't ask me for my ID.
We need
They
to know
asked
who
me
you are.
for my debit card.
Yes, because
And I paid with my
they are
debit
not the
card.
police investigating you
They did not ask me
stealing.
for my
You're not in
identification.
a shop anymore.
Negative, no record
That's
found, or
the
like
reason.
they're down.
They need your ID to verify who you are.
So may I please go pay for it, or you can take it
Can you run
back?
her out of
We're gonna take it back for you because they
Thank
do not
you.
want you there.
That's
Do
fine.
not go back to Five Below in
But
the
can I
next
take it
year.
from Ross?
Destiny,
Did you pay for
Destiny,
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Destiny. What's your middle name?
Sir? I don't have no name.
Yeah, she's saying she doesn't have one.
Really?
Take it. Let me just go into my car
So
and
here,
go.
Destiny, here's the issue. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you gave me your name and your
Yes,
social.
sir.
I gave it to dispatch.
Yes,
They're not
sir.
finding any proof of identification from
They
you.
didn't ask me for it.
I just did.
But they did not.
We're not
Doesn't
asking
matter about
listen to
them.
me. We're not talking about Five Below. We're talking about me and you right here. I need to know who you are. You gave me that information.
Yes, sir.
Dispatch is telling me that there's no records of you out of Nevada.
Did I ask for my ID?
Yes, I did.
No, I'm talking about my ask my debit card, not my ID.
Okay, so you gave me your social security number, right? So
Correct. No, I don't want to argue with
I'm
you.
not talking about Five Below. They don't need your ID for you to buy the stuff. That we know
So
this.
why am I here, ma'am? Maybe it's not Five Below.
Because you have been
Okay.
suspected of
We,
shoplifting and
as in
trespassing.
law enforcement.
I just want to give Five Below my ID identification because they asked for my debit card, officer.
I'm asking you for identification.
And I'll
not
give
them.
it to Five Below gladly.
They don't need it.
They don't need
I
it.
need it.
So why do they not need it when I pay for my items?
Just put down Mr. X or Mrs. X or Miss X
I
in there.
would. I will gladly pay for them, officer. I will. It's from Ross.
No, you cannot go back to Five Below.
So take it back.
I'm going to take it back.
So can I take from Ross? Because I paid for this. Ross did not call you. It was Five Below.
Five Below gold.
Okay, this is Ross. May I take myself from Ross and go to my vehicle and leave?
No, you are not free to leave yet because
I
we
don't
still have not been
understand.
named. All we are asking is for you to put one of your fingers on that pad.
I
That's
don't-
really all we need you to do.
Why do you think you
We need
can
to
just not be
identify who you are
verified
to rate our trespass.
after trespassing
Five Below
and
did not
suspected shoplifting?
ask me for my fingerprint. They asked
We
me for
are
my
asking.
debit.
We are asking, not Five Below.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes.
May I refuse to put my finger on that because the Five Below did not ask me for that? May I refuse?
Can't
No, if you
refuse,
refuse
but
to
it's not going to
identify
make a
yourself
difference.
I want
with
to
a valid
Just gonna go
identification,
jail.
you can go to jail
For
Exactly.
what?
for refusing to identify yourself to law enforcement.
But I pay with a debit card.
That has nothing to do with this. We need to know who you are. You told me your name is Destiny Martin
Destined
Destiny
to mess it up,
Martin.
it seems.
from
Okay.
Las Vegas.
Correct.
Okay.
I work at 7-Eleven.
Dispatch is telling me that there's no record of you in Las Vegas or Florida.
She's going to go to jail
Because
the
I
way
paid
this is
for
going.
it.
Honestly.
That has nothing to do with that.
I don't understand what law broke.
Have you ever lived in Oregon?
No, Oregon.
That's
No.
what I said.
90% on the
I
disagreement
never know
high
that.
personality
70
scale.
of 80 something.
It's seriously high.
10, 70 of like
Please
80.
arrest me for whatever law broke.
We're not arresting you. He has to
So
identify you so you
please
can
get
That's what you want.
my- So that this is
Yes,
wrong.
from my book.
This is wrong.
I understand.
May I leave? May I leave now?
Please don't touch me.
Okay, that's fine. May I leave? Can I leave,
You're
sir?
dropping stuff all over the floor.
This is Ross. That's right below. May I leave?
I need you to sit back down
Go for what law? And I will gladly sit for you.
because I need to identify you positively, okay?
Go check.
For what law?
For the law of needing to identify you.
I don't
Because
understand.
so you're being accused of stealing stuff.
For five below, right?
Listen.
And this
I get
is
that.
Ross.
I get that. Listen to me for a second. Well, I'm interrupting.
May I leave my stuff and leave?
No, you may not leave.
I don't
Listen to
understand
me
what
for
law-
a second.
Okay,
without
I'm
interrupting
listening.
you so I can
It's a
explain
serious
it to
Big
you.
Mac
Okay.
problem here.
Five Below is accusing you of stealing items from them.
And this was Five Below,
Nope, you're
correct?
interrupting me again.
Okay, I'm sorry.
They are accusing you of stealing items from Five Below.
Correct.
Okay, so we're here to investigate that, right?
Correct.
Okay.
And that's your
So
job,
part
and I
of our-
appreciate you.
So part of that is I have to positively identify who
And
you
you
are.
and I give you my name.
Okay. And I gave that to dispatch, and it's saying that they can't find a record of you. So therefore, that's why I need you just to give me 2 fingerprints on here.
Can I refuse?
If
I
you
was
refuse-
just shopping.
Can do,
if you
but you're
refuse
going to
positively
jail.
Identify yourself. That is a crime.
What law? Arrest me.
Under the law of the United States of America. Yes, you will be
Are
arrested.
you refusing to? Are you
If
refusing
you-
to allow us to identify?
I'm refusing,
Refuse,
yes,
yes.
because they didn't ask for my ID. That's for my debit
They
card.
didn't ask for your ID. I'm asking for your ID.
When I pay for stuff, officer, I use my debit card.
Okay,
and
where's
my
your debit
ID.
card right now?
I pay with Google Pay.
Pay with what?
Google Pay?
Google Pay on
How
your phone?
convenient.
Yes, sir.
Where's your phone at?
And you?
Maybe she didn't steal and she's just being a nuisance. That's why they trespass. I didn't want her back in because she's.
You have to imagine
difficult.
what
Can
else my phone at?
pick all this stuff up now?
Well, this is
Can't
from
find-
Ross.
Okay, well, I'm asking you to pick it up. Now you're just throwing stuff all
This is
over
from
the floor.
Ross, officer.
Purchase from us?
Yes, sir. This is from Ross.
See,
May I ask what crime I committed?
if you're
I'm asking you
trying to steal,
That's all
I'm not trying to
asking.
promote any
that's
stealing,
fine.
but why would you do it in a
Actually, pick up
bin
the mess
bag?
from
It's hardly discreet.
Okay. Can I speak privately?
This is privately right
Okay.
here.
So I came here from Vegas
over
to
here.
see my son for his
Yeah.
birthday because I'm a co-parent.
Yeah.
And I went to Five Below and I bought this.
Okay.
The lady walked out with me from the store. As I'm plumbing. This I paid from Ross,
Okay.
which is next door to Five Below, correct?
Okay.
I just want to go home with myself from Ross and you may have that.
And I'm telling you, listen, if you let me scan 2 fingerprints,
But why though?
so I can identify you.
Because I was shopping.
Because you were
So when you
stealing.
shop-
So I need to identify you.
Can they show you the camera?
We did. And
Can I
shows
see
that
it?
I don't have it, they have it.
So I refuse. Can I go to jail?
She really wants to go to jail, this
It's your
one.
call.
I'm going to jail for shopping at Ross. Why?
We don't
Why
need to
give a
take you to
false name?
I just want to go myself. Do you want me back Five Below and I'll take it with me?
No, I've been taking that back because you are not allowed to go back there. If you go
Okay,
back,
but
then you are
this is
going
from Ross, ma'am.
Destiny, this is what we're explaining to you.
But
In
this
order
is from
to
Ross.
stop
Listen.
interrupting me. I'm done at this point.
You're fine.
I'm
You're right.
surprised
At
they've
this
been very
point, we
patient,
have
I think,
to put
overall.
2 of your fingerprints on there so
Quite
we can
reasonable.
verify you say who you are because we have to write a trespass warning.
Oh,
You are not allowed back at Five Below.
But this is from Ross.
That is from Five Below. I'm not talking about Ross.
Please take back Five Below so I can take all the time.
You cannot go back there because you are trespassed, which is why we need to identify you.
But this is from Ross.
We literally only need 2 fingerprints and then you can
May I take my items from Ross and go to my vehicle, sir? Why?
Without your
Because I need to know
ID.
who you are.
I tell you who I am.
Yeah, it's a
it's
fake
not-
name,
they-
first of
it's-
all.
They're telling me
So it's a
not
crime
true.
to go shopping for my
No,
son's
it's a
birthday.
crime to steal stuff and lie about who you are.
But this is from Ross. This is from Five Below. It's 2 different stores.
Do you want to go home? Do you want to leave?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me scan your finger.
I do not need. He didn't even do that. Why?
What's the problem here?
Can I tell you something wrong?
Maybe is it?
But why, ma'am? I would have to go to jail. I know what law I
I
break.
don't interrupt.
We need to identify.
What law did I break, ma'am?
Why cause the drama?
I will tell my name.
Okay, and it's come back saying that's not true.
It is true.
Saying that there's no record of you out of.
It could be an illegal immigrant.
wow.
I'm not saying she is.
That's why I need to scan your
If
fingerprint.
that's the case,
I paid for a law?
it's not likely
We are still dealing with
But
it
why?
getting out, right?
because we still haven't identified you.
Might as well just deal with it.
Officer,
Don't
may I
make
please
it
go my vehicle?
Where's your car at?
Over there, can you walk me?
What kind of car is it?
This is a Maxima, can you
She's
walk
not on
me?
a motorbike. She ain't gonna hightail it out of there
Nissan?
Yes,
and have a
sir.
chase.
We're not going out
Maybe
there.
she
Point to your car.
What car is yours?
All mine. Five below. This is boss. Now,
Listen, point to me which car belongs to you.
I do not break any law.
Point to me which
You're
car
being
belongs to
really
you.
unfair.
No, you're the one who's not cooperating.
No, it's not.
How?
We've
I was
explained this several times.
shopping. And I asked you to take me back to $5 so I can pay for my items. May I please
I'll
walk
make
to-
this simple. Are you refusing to let me positively
Yes, sir.
identify who you are?
Because when you go shopping, do you give me your
Are
ID?
you refusing to
you
allow me
give
to
them your
positively
ID?
identify you?
Do you give them your ID?
No, we're not talking about that. Talk about me trying to
That's
They
identify
gotta
you.
get
Fair.
black and white now.
Are you
If you're refusing,
to allow me
Yes,
to
sir.
yes,
identify?
well, we're gonna arrest
Well,
you.
Put these items down.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why
she
did I
wanted
break-
all
why did
along.
I break?
You are not allowing me to positively identify who
I
you
did
are.
not break
Trying to
the
be
law.
sarcastic about it, but if you keep telling the
Wait,
world
wait,
that,
wait,
that's what
wait,
you're telling the
wait.
universe.
I did not
You're
break
gonna
the
get
law, though.
what you decided
I
that you
did not
didn't
break the
want. That's what
law.
happens.
Don't resist. You're gonna catch another charge if you start resisting.
I just want to see
Turn
my
around.
son. I didn't break the law.
Jeez Louise. She
What law did I break?
doesn't seem
Yeah, I just told you four.
stupid, do you know what I mean?
I didn't break the law,
Articulate
officer.
enough. It's an emotional problem, it seems.
Several actually.
All right, come on.
Okay,
Yeah, I'll go.
okay, I'll go to jail. What law did I break? I just want to know so I can never do it again.
No, you can't stop pleading afterwards.
What law did I
After you've
break?
Explain to you.
been many, many
Tell me.
times inconsiderate,
I didn't break the
despondent,
law when shopping.
just completely
Because
obstinate,
it was just to go shopping.
and then all of a sudden you want to change up tune
I
when you
told
get
you I would
the
take it back and pay for it. Let me pay for it.
Come
Oh, let me
come.
pay for it. Okay, ladies and
Yeah,
gentlemen, she
let
didn't
me
pay for
pay
it.
for
I
it.
was saying allegedly before. This doesn't seem like she did. Let me go back to the store and pay for it now. Let problem go away. Take off the
I've
curbs. I
explained to
didn't
you
give him a
several
tip.
times.
I don't understand what I did. Oh, what's up? Can you talk to me? I just want to understand what I did so I do it again for my
Still
son,
doesn't
please.
understand what she did.
Alright.
Really?
Stand right here.
What law did I break?
You're not identifying yourself.
I did! I didn't break. Ma'am, I didn't break the law. Stop! I didn't break the law. I was going shopping.
Going shopping. I just forgot my purse and my wallet. Now there, I'll pay you later.
I
Come on
didn't break the
now.
law.
Destiny, stand up.
I did not break the law. There was no
Sorry.
shopping. Please stop.
Stand up.
That was some wrong. I'll pay for it. I'll pay for it again. Let me pay
Oh,
for
now
it.
she's paid for it. She wants to pay for it again.
Here,
Before she
listen to me,
said she'll
listen
pay
to
for
me.
it.
I didn't break the law.
Listen to me for a second.
I didn't
Listen
break
to me
the
for a second,
law.
Destiny. If you let me scan your fingerprint,
I won't.
listen. Stop interrupting me. If you let me scan your fingerprint, I can let you
Wow,
go.
that's an
Shopping
offer.
and skin your fingerprint.
I'll take it.
If you let me scan your
Scam.
fingerprint,
So let's stay yours when you go shopping.
you're not understanding.
Let me pay for it again. Just go with me. I didn't break no law. Please arrest me. I didn't break a law. I didn't break a law. I didn't break a law. I just go shopping. Please.
Some people have age.
Please, sir, arrest
Cannot
me.
reason
What'd you
with.
take today?
Yeah, what do you take? The
I drank.
obstinate.
What'd you drink?
I was at
The
the beach.
optional
It was July yesterday.
Okay, what? Did you take any drugs today?
No, I drank Hennessy.
Hennessy.
Got,
There you go.
Only spit coming out of your mouth. You got pinpoint pupils.
Hennessy.
What did you take today?
I'm drunk. So I'm going to jail because I'm drunk and I shopped and I paid for
She's
it.
You're
honest.
not identifying yourself.
She's
Or allow us to
That's
verify your
not a
identity.
law.
It is a law.
What law is it?
I just told you what it was. I
didn't
don't know the
What?
exact
I don't-
statute number, but it's a law. Failing to positively identify yourself or allowing law enforcement to identify you is a crime. If you let me scan your
Deception.
fingerprint, and we're gonna get it
Alright, so can
regardless.
you take me off then? I'll
If
say,
you
I'll let you do
comply
it.
and let me scan your
Just take it
fingerprint,
off and I'll do it.
Reasonable
no, we're gonna
request.
scan your fingerprint, then I'll take the cuffs off. This is how it's gonna work.
Come on, love. Do the
Okay.
right
Yes.
thing.
You're either gonna comply
I don't want you to go to
or you're gonna
jail.
go to
So you
jail.
don't drink?
I do drink. That has nothing to do with
Nothing to do with it.
I drank when I'm
So
off duty.
yesterday was
I
the 4th?
want to relax.
I
The
see
4th
what's
was not yesterday. Today's the 7th. 4th
The
was
4th was
4 days
on
ago.
Monday.
That's Monday. Today's Thursday.
Oh dear, now I'm not even showing the right days. What's he trying to check?
I did not commit a crime.
That's a smart idea.
Officer, please let me go. I was shopping. I will pay for it again. I will pay for it again.
We can search her real fast. Or at least pat her down.
Oh my God. I was just shopping.
Real stupid, real
Listen,
quick.
you don't stop trying to pull away from us.
I was just
Another
shopping.
charge.
I don't ever heard of somebody asking for my ID for shopping.
This has nothing to do with you shopping.
But that's what I was doing.
Anything?
Just pat her down.
Have a seat.
I'm going to jail for
Have a seat.
No.
Sit down in the car.
I didn't know law,
Trespassing,
bro.
yes.
No.
Shoplifting not confirmed, but
no.
seems very viable.
I'm not resisting. I didn't know
This is
law.
what you're
No,
doing. You're sitting down, you're
obstructing
pulling away from me. That's resistance.
verification.
Sit in the car now.
Bro.
Sit, swing your legs into the car. Now.
What is with my son? I didn't do nothing. What
Get into the car.
Did.
She was charged with giving a false name to a Leo.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. To be fair, I think they were very reasonable that they only charged her with that. The overall thoughts that I have on that matter is just give your ID. Don't be difficult. You know? Now, I don't know the reasons why she wasn't wishing to give her ID. Part of me thinks she was just a little bit 3 sheets to the wind. But let's say that you are an illegal immigrant. You're not going to want to give your ID. I can understand why in that situation. I'm not saying it's right to do so, but you give a false name. But once you're surrounded, you're not going anywhere, you know. Just try and deal with the process. You don't want to get extra charges. They're on body cam. Be polite, be reasonable. And it is what it is. So, cool, calm and collected is what I say when dealing with the police. You feel any situation whereby which they are, most of them just simply trying to do a job, but doing ultra vires, going beyond their scope of power. So, like a name and number badge, please, officer. Well, I'd like your name and number, please, officer. And if they don't want to give that, and say, well, this will be a formal complaint, and you'll be hearing from my lawyer soon, and your not wanting to give me that is suspect, and I see that as obstruction of my civil right to understand, blah blah blah. But just generally speaking, you know, treat him as a friend within reason. You know, everyone's just trying to do a job. They're just trying to enforce the law. You know, just going about business. No need to make it worse when it's just a reasonable request's happening. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you want me to do more of these, just let me know. I meant to say this one earlier. Copyright disclaimer. Under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, the footage today has been used under the process of and procedure of fair use with respect to commenting with regards to personal use tips, such as what to do when dealing with sort of officious procedures and those that are participating in that manner, and how best to react to that for educational purposes. And I just wanted to outline to this lady, I hope she's doing well, and for us not to judge her based on one bad day. And she, I'm sure, has much ability and can crack on, and I hope she's put this behind her. Take care, guys, ladies. See you on the next one.